Hey guys, so we're just waiting on check-in for our snorkeling cruise this morning. We're at Catamaran, so yeah, this should be fun. So snorkeling out on a catamaran, potentially with some dolphins and turtles. So it's known for the turtles over here, and hopefully we get to see some of those, and also hopefully we might get to see some whales as well, because it's just coming to the end of whale season as well, which finishes in or end of Feb, March. So it's pretty cool down here. We've got all sorts of different things, so all the boats and that kind of thing down here. So yeah, really looking forward to getting out today. So it's very, very cool. So this is our boat today, Catamaran Ocean Adventures, and it looks pretty cool. Actually a sailboat, so that is pretty funky.
Into the sky.
Yeah, so we've got a bit of a whale thing happening out in front. We'll see if we can see it. There it goes.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah. So we're just pulling away from the first snorkeling spot. It was absolutely amazing. Had a turtle just bob up and down and dive right about 5 meters in front of my face, which was spectacular. Really too bad we didn't have a GoPro, but hey, that's a major case of first world problems. But yeah, absolutely amazing down there. There are about 3 or 4 types of fish.